Hey friends, so today we're just showing you how to adjust your vise, and pretty much with everything it's lefty loosey or lefty to open. So that's, I'm rotating it counterclockwise is what I'm saying, left. And then to tighten it, it's clockwise, so righty tighty, just like that. Fairly basic. Vices are nice to have for different things. If you come across one and it's stuck and you didn't know which way, am I tightening it or am I loosening it or whatever, remember lefty loosey to loosen it up. So that'll be counterclockwise to open your vise, clockwise or to the right to close your vise or to tighten it. So hope this helps. If you come across a vise and you don't know which way to turn it to get open, am I tightening it or am I loosening it? Well, remember, counterclockwise is to loosen. So thanks for watching. Hope this helps. Have a great day. We'll see you next time.